Greetings everyone, and today we are going to install MikoPBX using Proxmox. Before we start, we should do one action, which is copy the link for the latest image file. Now we are on MikoPBX GitHub with releases, and here you should find the latest version with extension .iso, and just right click and copy link address. Then we are ready to start our work inside Proxmox interface. Now we are on the general page, and firstly we should upload our image inside Proxmox. For that, open the storage with local PVA in brackets description, and here find ISO images section. Just click on it, and here press download from URL button. Now in the first field just paste your link and click query URL. Wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, our image was found successfully, and then you should click download. Then you should wait for maybe 5 minutes until it would be downloaded, but I did it before, and now we are ready for the second part, which is creating a virtual machine inside Proxmox. For that, just click on this button, which is create VM, and now we are in create virtual machine section. Firstly, you should input the name for your VM. That can be whatever you want, but I will use MikoPBX VM as example. Then click next. Here you should choose your ISO image, which we created a few minutes ago, and then just recheck if type of your system is Linux. If not, just choose Linux in this menu. Then click next. Here you should recheck about camera agent, it should be off. If not, just release this checkbox. Then click next again, and now we are in the disk section. Firstly, we should configure disk size of our first disk, which is system 1. Recommended amount is 1 GB. Because of that, I will set 1 GB. Then click add, and now we are in the second disk configuration menu, and here we should also choose the size of our disk. The recommended amount for MikoPBX is more than 50 gigabytes, but because my system will create for tests, I will use just 15. It doesn't matter for me. Then click next. Here you should choose configuration of your system. You can choose whatever you want, but for my test machine I will use just 1 core, and that wouldn't be a problem. Then click next again, and in the memory section you should choose amount of operating memory for your system. I will use just 2 gigabytes. Then click next, and here in the network section you should uncheck the firewall section, and again click next. Here we can see our summary configuration, and here just click start after created, and then just press finish button. Okay, now we should just wait for a few minutes until our system will be started. We can just go to the console section, and again I will say just wait. Okay, as we can see, our system successfully started, but we also can see that this message, the system is loaded in recovery mode. That is mean we should install the system. Yeah, just go to the eighth part, which is install, and press enter. Firstly, system will suggest us to choose system disk. Yeah, here I have two disks. One is SDA, which is 1 gigabyte size, and the second one is SDB, which is 15 gigabyte size. Yeah, for the system one, system suggests me SDA. I agree with that, and just yeah, I will press enter to confirm. Yeah, then system give us an attention that all data on the disk will be deleted, and the operation is irreversible. I agree with that, and just type Y here and press enter. Wait for a few seconds, and then system will suggest us to choose the second disk for recordings. Yeah, here we just have the last one, SDB, and yeah, system suggested to us. I agree with that, and just yeah, press enter. Then our system will be restarted, and yeah, we again should wait for a few minutes. Okay, as we can see, our system was successfully loaded, and that is mean we are ready for the next part of our video, which is connecting to MikoPBX through web interface connection. Here we can see our local IP address, and let's try to connect to our MikoPBX using yeah, this address. For me it is 172.16.32.157. 172.16.32.157, right? Yeah. Then click enter, and now we are on authorization page of MikoPBX. Here we should use just default username and default password, which is admin for username and the same, yeah, admin for password. Let's click authorize. And for the first login, system will suggest us to change the password. Let's do that. And then click Save Settings. Okay, and for now our system is fully ready to use, and we are ready for the next part of our video, which is connecting two different soft phones to our MikoPBX station. Today I'll use two different soft phones. The first one is Zoiper, and the second one is Phonerlite. Today let's get started from connecting the Phonerlite. Yeah, here we have 3 employees, and I'll connect 2 of them because I have, yeah, 2 soft phones. Firstly, let's connect our first employee with internal number 201 to the Zoiper. Firstly, in the login field, we should type internal number of our employee. For me it is 201. Then just type the symbol, and after that just write your IP address of your MikoPBX station. For me it is this one. And for the password field, you should just copy password for SIP from MikoPBX interface. Just click this button, and password will copy to your clipboard. Then just paste it there and click login. Next, skip, next, and as we can see by green indicator in the Zoiper interface and also green indicator in our MikoPBX station interface, our connection was successful. And now we are ready for the second soft phone. I'll connect an employee with internal number 202 to the phone light. For that, just go to the phone light interface, then go to configuration section and click new. Here in the main realm field, in manual configuration section, you should just type your IP address of your MikoPBX station. For me it is 172.16.32.157. Then click next. Here in the username field, you should just type an internal number of your employee. For me it is 202. For authentication name, just do the same, 202. And for the password field, again copy the password from MikoPBX interface like we did it before. And paste it there, click next and finish. Yeah, our employee was successfully registered, as we can see here, and yeah, also we can check that inside MikoPBX interface. Okay, let's try to call from one soft phone to another one. Yeah, as we can see, everything works perfectly, and that is mean we are ready for the final part of our video, which is checking our system using internal dial plan application. In today's video, we will use echo test, which is internal dial plan application in MikoPBX. You can find it there in model section and then dial plan applications. Here is internal number of this application, and let's try to call from one of our soft phones. It is 1032.46. If phone line works perfectly, when we will call we can hear our voice. 1 2 3 test. Yeah, as you can see, everything works perfectly, and that is mean our installation and connecting to different soft phones very successfully. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.